average household buys 600 tin cans, well, steel cans, filled with delicious foods. From soup to baked beans, pineapple to mushrooms, spaghetti bolognese to chicken curry. We fill up our shopping baskets, our cars, and our kitchen cupboards. Some are used up in weeks. Others linger in the back of the cupboard until that big clear out. All of the food still as fresh as the day it was canned. Job done, the can is washed out and deposited into my recycling bin. Oh wait, not that one. Awaiting collection at the side of the road, my association with that steel can comes to an end. But it's not the end of the journey for that steel. It's barely even the start. After being collected and transported to the recycling site, all the metal and plastic material collected together is separated. Fortunately, my steel can is easy to separate from aluminium and plastic materials using a magnet. Once enough steel has been collected, it can be sent back to a steel plant. Steel plants use a lot of recycled scrap steel. My scrap has now become their raw material with infinite possible futures. 75% of the steel ever made is still in use today for transport, infrastructure, and manufacturing. My steel can, along with hundreds and thousands of others, as well as parts from cars, fridges, and even mattresses, are melted in a furnace at over 1200 degrees to create a completely new, well, almost new material. By recycling just one steel can, I've saved the same amount of energy as watching 1 hour of TV. Recycling can have a massive impact if we all play our small part. Steel is infinitely recyclable, a key material to developing a circular and more sustainable manufacturing industry. My waste is a precious resource, and so is yours. And you never know, you might just see that steel can again one day.